Okay.
Okay, so we got Coke and milk in this glass.
What?
And now we're gonna drink it for the Coke and milk challenge. Well, actually, we lied. We kind of cheated because we don't have Coke, so this is Dr. Pepper. Same thing, only different. But one. Here, we fail at making a noise. I got it. 1, 2.
Is it good?
You want to taste it?
No, fuck no.
Tastes like freaking. I don't even know. I hate my life so much right now.
Get the fuck off me, nerd. Call me nerd again. Call me nerd again. Get the fuck off me. Goddamn you. When much is a house? Get off me. Fucking wiener. You got text messages, so get your fucking wiener ass up off me. Grab up. Quit.
She won.
Sass.
Ugh. My stomach hurts so bad now. That's so
Hey, at
hot.
least we know how to burp.
You say please?
For real.
Yes.
I did.
Now get
I
the
can't
fuck
burp
off me,
anymore.
House. You know that's a person, you know.
You look like you're about to cry. Okay,
Alright,
so the person that really drinks this, just for drink your
Don't stop, but we'll whip your
I
butt.
don't know what's wrong with your taste buds, but you need to get new ones.
That's all you do is bark, bark, bark.
Okay,
I gotta go.
My mom said that last night when that little Latin girl
we're gonna go watch Haley puke now.
being up in the toys.
Oh,
Thank you. Thank you.
for watching you puke.
You guys are dumb.
You're dumb.
Suck my dick, bitch.
Go to the day more.
Maybe later. I don't even know if they can see you right now.
You
Yes,
have to
yes, they
start to
can.
die this because
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
we're doing the lemon challenge later.
the only challenge is dumb.
You're dumb.
No. Why would you say that?
That doesn't work.
Far down the house.
Haley's gonna die, guys.
Without wanting to puke. Bet you'll win.
Okay.
You got lemons?
I just burped again.
That's okay.
Wait,
Ew.
I got a question.
What?
Yeah, what did you do about lemons?
I don't know.
Well, you said lemon challenge. There's lemons, right? How? You don't got no lemons.
No, you didn't stop it.
Huh?
No. Okay, well, that was the
Who got lemons?
Dr. Pepper and Milk challenge.
Hey, who
And
got lemons?
I almost puked. That shit was nasty.
So have a nice day.
Yeah.